Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to share with you a design team project for White Rose Crafts, and the links to White Rose Crafts will be down in the description box below. And if you shop at White Rose Crafts, you can use my discount code, which is Kim15, and all of that information is also in the description box below. But this time I made some junk journal embellishments. I'm beginning to start to work on a new journal, and it's going to be very vintage, and so I started to make some embellishments. And White Rose Crafts has lots of great items for your junk journals. So I'm going to start off with this first, and this is very unusual. It's going to be a pocket. I'm going to make a couple more. This is actually made out of a negative that I got from a live sale. I think it was Katie's Tribe of Five, and I've got quite a few of these, and I thought they would make like really cool pockets in your junk journal, and you can tuck things behind them in your journal. So what I did was I layered up some very old lace, and then this paper is from White Rose Crafts. It's a craft o'clock paper, and I distressed it with the Distress Oxide, and you can of course get those at White Rose Crafts as well. And then I layered on some more paper from the same paper line, a wooden heart, which is from the Kaisercraft wooden pieces that are in the store, and the Tim Holtz philosophy tag, which you can also get at White Rose Crafts. Little doilies, laces, some sari silk. This is a Timmy word from my stash. And then the flowers are from a recollection set. White Rose Crafts has some beautiful flowers in their store, paper flowers, and I'll show you some. These are the Kaisercraft ones that I have at the moment. They're absolutely beautiful. I love paper flowers, and of course you can see that I use them on my altered clothespins here. Super pretty. And I used a little doily behind them that my friend Karen made me a while ago. And then I just put the flower on top and then some bling. And the paper is from a paper line called Vintage Bisou, and this is all I have left of the paper because I love it so much. This is all I have left. I've used every bit of it, and last month I made a journal using this paper line. It's got a lot of clocks on it. It's very vintage. So there's still little bits left here, but not a lot because it's one of my favorite papers from White Rose Crafts. So that's what I used on the paper clips along with the Kaisercraft flowers. Super simple to do, but these are great in your journals to clip things on. And it'll be nice because it'll have all these pretty flowers, and I plan on using the Dovecraft glitter glue that you can get at White Rose Crafts on top of the flowers excuse me, and just to make them glittery and sparkly, because it's going to have like a very shabby vintage vibe, my journal. And then I used another paper called Magnolia Lane for these little circle embellishments, and I just used my paper cutter, my round paper cutter. It's a 2-inch circle punch, and I had more of the little negatives in my stash, and I just layered up some book paper, and I put a doily on the back. And I used another of the Tim Holtz philosophy tags from White Rose Crafts and more of the paper flowers from White Rose Crafts. I'm not sure if she still has this paper line in the store. You'll have to check. It's called Magnolia Lane. I think she might be sold out of this paper, but you can use any paper, and the Vintage Bisou paper that I used for this, or the Craft O'Clock paper, would work perfectly for that. And then all I did was I used on this one, you can see in the background, I used a heart paper doily from White Rose Crafts. She has paper doilies in her store. And I just put some of the paper doily on each one of these. You can see in the background here before I layered everything up. And then I just attached, I did some stamping with the Distress Oxide. Like I said, there's a whole line of Distress inks and Distress Oxides in the White Rose Craft store. And yeah, that's what I did. I just layered things up, cut out some book paper, used the beautiful paper flowers, and those are my junk journal embellishments. And I'm really pleased with how they came out. I hope you like them too. And probably on my Tuesday live, I'm going to be working some more with making some more embellishments this week, I think, because I just love making them. They're quick, they're easy, and you know, they turn out so nice, and they're such a great addition to any journal. And I just felt like doing something different instead of tags this time, and I did some round ones. So yeah, that's my project for this month. I hope you guys like it. Please check out all the links to White Rose Crafts. Like I said, the links are in the description box along with my discount code, and you can get 15% off your order, which is totally worth it because the prices are great anyway. So please go over and check out White Rose Crafts, and I will be back soon with another video. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye for now.